Morning all of you. Hello everyone. Kids, today I'm back with a new pattern writing for your babies. As you all know, we are doing pattern writing so that we can do our numbers, alphabets and swear in proper handwriting, in good handwriting and in good way. So students, as you all know, we did different pattern writings in our previous classes. Which are those? Can you please tell me which are those? Yes, those are standing, sleeping, slanting of two types, curve, this side, curves also we did of two kinds of curve. Okay, and we did this pattern in our previous class. Remember, we did this pattern in our previous class. We made the butterflies, beautiful wings of the butterflies. Remember, we did this pattern in our previous class. Today we are going to do opposite of it. We have did this pattern. Today we are going to make opposite of this pattern, like this. Okay, with the help of this pattern we are going to make many numbers, alphabets and swear. Okay babies, so just look carefully. It is as simple as this was. You can write it, and with the help of this pattern we are going to make this flowers, petal of these flowers. Okay babies, so shall we start? Can you see this pattern? Put your finger here and move it like this. Yeah, like this, then like this. One more time. Put your finger here, then move it like this, then move it like this. Similarly, hold your pencil like this, move it like this, then move it like this. Okay babies, it is so simple. Again, it is made up of two curves. This curve, and this curve. And when we join these curves from the center, it becomes this pattern. It is so simple, है ना? Simple है ना? चलिए, shall we start making these patterns? It is as simple as your previous ones. You just have to trace it. Okay, don't worry. You don't have to worry कि आप सोचो कि हम कैसे लिखेंगे मैम इसको. It is so simple. I have given you these dots here, है ना? You just have to trace it as you were doing in your previous patterns, है ना? हाँ, जैसे आपने अपने previous patterns में करा है, you just have to trace it. So it is so simple. Put your pencil here from the first point, then trace it. Dots पे धीरे धीरे, slowly as I told you. No hush. Slowly you have to make it. Okay. Like this. Curve, first curve, then the second curve. First curve, then the second curve. Right? First curve. You have dots on your notebooks also, na? In your pattern notebook, you have dots there also, na? So it is so simple. You just have to trace it like this. Then like आप जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर गोइंग टू बी परफेक्ट. ओके, द प्रैक्टिस मेक्स यू perfect. Always remember this thing. Practice, practice and practice. Practice makes you perfect. Like we did it. है ना, हो गया ना. Slowly slowly हमने मेड करना. आप ये वाली ट्रेसिंग करने लग जाओगे तो आप पता है ये फ्लावर के पेटल्स भी बना पाओगे. फ्लावर के पेटल्स कहाँ हैं? These are the petals of the flower and it is so simple to make. वाओ, यू शुड से थैंक यू टू योर मैम ना, क्योंकि मैं आपको डिफरेंट ड्राइंग्स करना भी सिखा रही हूँ, है ना. आप इन्हें बनाया करो. ओके, डू प्रैक्टिस. मैम बता रहे हैं इट इज़ सो सिंपल. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इट्स अ सर्कल है. हमने ये वाला पैटर्न किया था ना, दिस वन, रिमेंबर दिस वन, एंड और आज हमने ये वाला पैटर्न किया, दिस वन. So with the help of these both patterns we are going to make the petal of the flowers. How we will going to make it? See, ये वाली पेटल कैसे बनेगी? जो हमने उस दिन पैटर्न किया था ना, उससे एक ऐसे कर्व बनाया और एक ऐसे कर्व बनाया, बन गया. अब आज हमने ये वाला कर्व करा है ना, ये वाला पैटर्न करा है ना. अब कैन यू सी ये दोनों पैटर्न्स जो पेटल्स जो है वो इसी पैटर्न से बने हैं, है ना. ये वाला कर्व और फिर ये वाला कर्व. इट इज़ सो सिंपल. दिस वन एंड देन दिस वन. वाओ, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर वी मेड, है ना. वी मेड सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर, राइट. ऐसे ही आपने ये वाले फ्लावर्स है ना, इसको भी, इनके भी पेटल्स आपने ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके बेबी, लाइक दिस. सी, a beautiful flower is there. Okay, this and then this. Wow, don't you think it is wow? Yeah, now the flowers are smiling. Can you see? Yeah, because we have made the petals of the flower, है ना. Now they are complete. Okay babies, like this you have to do this pattern also. Fine. So Pleta, please do practice all these patterns. I hope you are practicing it at your home. Now can you see this notebook here? This pattern, the flower is given there, है ना. आपने इसको ऐसे ऐसे इसको ट्रेस करके इसकी पेटल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. Okay babies, put your finger on this tree and then do practice. ऐसे घुमाया, just this curve, just another curve, this first curve, then another curve. Okay, then do a pencil tracing here, one curve and then another curve, one curve and then another, and do practice this page. Then similarly we have made fishes are there. Can you see how beautiful colorful fishes are there? Okay, आपने fishes को भी ऐसे ही डिज़ाइन करना है. Okay babies, fine. चलिए, thank you so much. Do practice this. This is on, we did this pattern in our previous class. Also do this page babies. Okay, and this pattern today we did. Beta, do practice it. Okay, cause I have to start the next alphabet also. So practice it nicely at your home. Okay, with a full concentration. Okay babies. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.